How to book a flight on Qatar Airways online. I'm going to tell you how to book a flight on Qatar Airways online. First, go to the Qatar Airways website by searching Qatar Airways on Google or visiting their website www.qatarairways.com. On the homepage, enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Choose between one-way, round trip, or multi-city, then click Search Flights. You'll see a list of available flights. Select your preferred one and choose your fare type. Next, enter your passenger details, including name, contact information, and passport details if required. Then proceed to payment. Enter your details and confirm your booking. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket.